We just did for Malaika Arora, and it's our best-selling piece all over the world. We're a Lakme Fashion Week designer. You have to buy.
बढ़िया। नमस्कार दर्शकों, आप देख रहे हैं इंडिया न्यूज़ और न्यूज़ एक्स। आज मैं आ चुका हूँ अंदाज दिल्ली में। क्यों? यहाँ रॉयल फेबल्स का मज़ा उठाने, आनंद उठाने। रॉयल फेबल्स क्या है? देश भर के रॉयल फैमिली से रॉयल ट्रेडिशन, रॉयल कल्चर, आर्ट वीक्स, फैशन एंड वेयरेबल सब एक जगह आके एकत्रित हुआ है। एंड मैं कहाँ खड़ा हूँ? पैलेस कारखाना के बाहर। पैलेस कारखाना वेयर फ्रॉम ऑल डिफरेंट प्लेसेस ऑफ द कंट्री, अलग अलग जगह से लोग आए हैं। रॉयल फैमिली के लोग आए हैं अपना कल्चर और साथ साथ अपने आर्ट पीसेस, अपना फैशन दे रहे हैं। तो आइए ज़रा चलते हैं, देखते हैं कि कैसे अलग अलग महाराजाओं महारानियों का जो फैशन, रॉयल फेबल्स का टेस्ट है वो कैसा है। कम ऑन गाइस। तो एक बार कुंवर रानी रितु सिंह जी से जानते हैं। शी इज अ बॉलीवुड स्टाइलिस्ट एंड शी इज ब्यूटीफुल आर्ट पीसेस, एम्ब्रॉयडरी हेयर। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल मैम, welcome to Delhi, and how does it feel?
It's always good to be a part of Royal Fables because it's like a family. Everyone gets together and we all dressed in saris. It's quite nice. It's a different atmosphere from the other exhibitions I do. And I started with Royal Fables. In fact, they were the ones who were like, you must get your homegrown stuff and things like that. So I started with Royal Fables, and I proudly talk about it. This is a platform I started with. And today, let me introduce myself. We are from Royal Family of Vakaner, which is in Gujarat. So I started with basically Gujarati work that I represent. We do a lot of bandhani, we do a lot of kachi work, we do a lot of mirror and thread work, and which we specialize in. Even now, we do a lot of ghararas and shararas, all in thread work and day wear suits. And now we are proudly of course, we are a Bollywood celebrity designer, I proudly call myself. And we are a Lakme Fashion Week designer. So this is the first brand I say that we are a part of Lakme. So this is a new venture for Kuंवर रानी रितु Vankaner to be a part of Lakme Fashion Week, FDCI. And FDCI has given me a platform, and I'm very, very grateful for FDCI for giving me a second level of work. So it's very, very exciting.
So you just mentioned that about you're a Bollywood celebrity stylist. So you were showing me one piece that
Yes,
Bollywood star wore.
This is my new piece that we just did for Malaika Arora, and it's our best-selling piece all over the world. It's one of the pieces I think people have loved, the embroidery and the cotton. So I'm known for my cotton. So as you can see, the cotton quality is very good. It's fully embroidered, and we have pearl and mirror work on it.
I can also touch it, feel it. It's very soft and
Yes,
cotton wool is
yes,
absolutely-
and I think that's the reason all over the world we are doing very. I mean,
And
we.
your prints are very exciting and very colorful. I see a different shade of colors. This orange,
Yes.
this blue.
So we have just launched our Fashion Week collection, the Fashion Week collection, and basically resort wear. We're doing dresses because a lot of people don't want to wear suits and they want to move. They want to wear dresses. So we've started a younger concept.
So something जो Indianized भी है, and it's not a suit, it's a dress but yet Indianized. तो ये concept जो थोड़ा नया है, and bringing our culture, like Gujarati culture को जोड़ना with Western dresses, like, and these pieces are absolutely beautiful. So do you feel कि अब हम Gujarati culture को, you're taking it on an international level, and what are your goals to go even higher?
Of course, I want to take my Gujarati culture and Indian culture everywhere. I mean, and represent कि हमारे इंडिया में the kind of artisans and the craftsmanship जो हमारे इंडिया में है, it is one of the best that we have in the world. And ये जैसे आप देख रहे हैं, कॉटन के ऊपर, ये हमारा हैंड प्रिंटेड कॉटन है, और कॉटन के ऊपर हमने ये सारा काम किया हुआ है. So it's हमारे, as I said, the artisans here, we cannot get anywhere else in the world. So I want to showcase this kind of work to everywhere and take, So we're moving this to more into our dresses. So for people to understand that they can wear not only just Indian outfits, they can wear the same thing in little resort wear. Yes, which everyone wants to also dress up. Yes.
Be Indian and yet do not be very formal and be
And as
bold.
you see also that most of our designs, अगर आप देखेंगे, we don't do too much of sleeveless. We do classic, regal.
So Indian sabhyata and Indian culture ko you've kept in mind.
Yes.
And that's a very big point, and I actually appreciate you on that, because dresses is just not meaning backless and revealing clothes. It means good
It's all about looking regal and in whatever you and being comfortable. I think
Exactly.
regal तो चलिए ठीक है, but comfort level is very very important and हम that's what we represent. और main हमारा cotton quality is loved by everyone. So for me, I'm very proud of it because I really work on my cotton quality, which is very very important for us. And yes, and slowly we're moving to more sustainable fabrics, more saving the environment and everything. So we are just moving ahead on a different level.
And at the last, you have all the beautiful pieces. I want to buy one of them for my friends, but
Please, what you have to buy.
but yeah, one last thing, one piece that is your favorite, that's close to your heart, that you want to showcase it to our
Well,
audience.
all are my favorite pieces, as you know, just like choosing a baby. Baby is none of your favorite this thing. But yeah, I would talk about my resort wear. Ek resort wear is this, which is these are long maxi dresses, very very wearable. You can wear it any time of the day, any part. Like you want, or you can go anywhere of Europe, and these are best selling dresses of ours. And second, हमारा handwork पे is difficult to choose, but I can choose. अच्छा ये देखिए, जैसे ये है, जैसे बांधनी के ऊपर हमने हाथ का काम किया हुआ है. And again, these are cape styles. You can wear it as a kaftan or you can wear it as a suit. So it's a 2-in-1 outfit, yes, kind of a thing. और प्लस हमारा मिरर वर्क जो है फेमस, वो हमारा मिरर वर्क ये है. So इसमें हम
I can sense that you Ghagra choli touch in this.
हाँ, this is suit, but we do ghagra cholis, and it's there in the line. We have, yeah. So this is a heavy collection that we do in mirror work, and plus it's all different basically. Thread work आप देखिए mirror work के साथ. So ये सारा हमारा collection is all गुजरात बेस्ड. इसमें जैसे हमने पर्ल का काम किया हुआ है सारा ड्रेस के ऊपर. So it's just that you feel little bit more formal and not give a very cotton look. जैसे
exactly.
You can wear it to a formal occasion also.
So with cotton being the speciality, mirror work being absolutely beautiful, thank you so much for your time, and we've loved your work, we adore your work. All the best for your future endeavors.
Thank you so much and lovely talking to you. Thank you.